Hey, what's going on? Chris Espinola here, the laptop freedom warrior and internet traffic junkie. I apologize if the lighting isn't that great, but this video will be short. And if you stick with me till the end, I want to let you know about a free gift I want to give you that will help you go ahead and build any business that you want to online or offline, right? But if you can check out the picture here in front of me, how to invest Bitcoin and get paid passive Bitcoin daily. This video is about Mirror Trading International, MTI. It's a review update, how to get passive Bitcoin daily in 2020. Now, the company I am referring to is Mirror Trading International. This is my back office. As you can see here, I got some spillover, which means my sponsors are signing up people, and I'm having people put under me. I have 4 direct referrals on my team at this point, and I have 2 of them who are active, which means they have gone and funded their account to start earning Bitcoin in the trading pool. As you can see, here's my trading pool balance. I started with $250 back on 11/20/2019. Today is Wednesday, February 12, 2020. So a little over 2 months. My gross Bitcoin in USD is $456 currently. I've earned some Bitcoin earnings in my Bitcoin wallet that I'm actually going to be adding this to my trading pool, so my balance could keep increasing based on the company's trading Monday to Friday. The other thing that I want to quickly show you, these are obviously my results. It's been a little over 2 months. I started with $250 worth of Bitcoin. I now have $456. I have some Bitcoin in my income wallet that I can withdraw to my bank or just save as BTC. My all-time earnings plus all-time bonuses is this in Bitcoin. This binary bonus is the bonus that I get paid residually every Saturday because I have 2 people active who have started in the trading pool with a minimum of $100. And that's what you need, folks, to start earning free Bitcoin Monday through Friday. Not free, but earning through the company using artificial intelligence to do sophisticated trading in the Forex market. And we get 40% of the profit daily, Monday to Friday. And that balance is compounded in the trade pool balance. I can withdraw this funds at any time. And, it's just a great product that I've been testing and I want to share. A great product to start earning additional Bitcoin as it increases. So you can literally just invest $100 and add it to trade pool balance, and the company's artificial intelligence software will trade your Bitcoin in the Forex market, and you will earn, as long as the company is in profit, a percentage of that you will earn, and it will be added to your trading pool that you can withdraw. Your total trading balances are shown here. They've added some additional revenue possibilities for people who are building teams. But right now, I'm just focused on, I gotta add my 2-factor authentication, get that set up. But again, I just want to quickly give you a review. Mirror Trading International, a great place, transparent company, leaders and owners all over the place, where you can invest a minimum of $100 worth of Bitcoin and let the artificial intelligence trade your Bitcoin so you can accumulate a portion of those earnings. And you can go and withdraw that at any time. Here is my total earnings. I'm going to go ahead and actually add some of these funds in my income wallet to my trading pool balance, just so my trading results or profit will increase. That being said, Chris Espinola signing out, and I'll see you on the next video.